In the mystical realm of dreams, where the boundaries of reality blur and the subconscious mind takes center stage, there lies a treasure trove of symbolism, insight, and hidden meanings. Dreams have fascinated humanity for centuries, serving as a canvas for our deepest fears, desires, and aspirations. For many, dreams remain an enigmatic puzzle, a riddle waiting to be deciphered. In the heart of a tranquil town named Dreamsville, nestled amidst rolling hills and peaceful meadows, lived a young woman named Lily. She had always been intrigued by the world of dreams, drawn to their mysterious and captivating allure. Lily's fascination with dreams was not merely passive, it was a yearning to unravel the secrets they held and to harness their potential for self-discovery and empowerment. As Lily delved deeper into the world of dreams, she discovered that many common dream symbols and themes held valuable insights that could guide individuals on their journey to finding direction and empowerment in their waking lives. Through her studies and experiences, she uncovered 11 common dream interpretations that offered wisdom, guidance, and empowerment to those willing to explore the depths of their own subconscious. Symbol 1. Falling. Lily's journey began with the sensation of falling, a dream experienced by many. Falling dreams often symbolize a lack of control or fear of failure in one's life. Lily learned that embracing this dream could help individuals confront their fears and regain a sense of empowerment by recognizing that they possess the ability to overcome challenges. Symbol 2. Flying. The freedom of flight was another common dream Lily explored. Dreams of flying symbolize a desire for freedom and liberation from life's constraints. Lily encouraged individuals to interpret flying dreams as a reminder that they have the power to break free from limitations and pursue their aspirations with confidence. Symbol 3. Being chased. Lily delved into the theme of being chased, a dream that often reflects anxiety and avoidance. These dreams invite individuals to confront their fears head-on, teaching them that the act of turning to face their pursuers can transform feelings of powerlessness into empowerment. Symbol 4. Losing teeth. Dreams of losing teeth can be disconcerting, but Lily unveiled their symbolism as a sign of transition and personal growth. These dreams encourage individuals to embrace change and see it as an opportunity for renewal and transformation. Symbol 5. Nakedness. Nakedness dreams often bring feelings of vulnerability and insecurity. Lily explained that these dreams serve as a reminder to embrace one's true self, imperfections, and all. By accepting and loving themselves as they are, individuals can find strength and empowerment. Symbol 6. Being late. Dreams of being late or missing an important event may reflect feelings of inadequacy and fear of failure. Lily guided individuals to view these dreams as a call to prioritize their responsibilities and manage their time effectively, empowering them to achieve their goals. Symbol 7. Meeting a deceased loved one. Lily explored the emotional depth of dreams in which individuals reunite with deceased loved ones. These dreams can provide comfort and guidance, reminding us of the enduring connections we share with those who have passed. They empower us to move forward while cherishing the wisdom and love of those who came before us. Symbol 8. Taking an exam. The anxiety-inducing dream of taking an exam can reflect feelings of self-evaluation and performance pressure. Lily encouraged individuals to see these dreams as an opportunity for self-reflection, self-improvement, and personal growth, leading to greater self-empowerment. Symbol 9. Being lost. Dreams of being lost often mirror feelings of confusion and a lack of direction in life. Lily guided individuals to interpret these dreams as a call to reconnect with their inner compass, helping them find their way and regain a sense of purpose. Symbol 10. Public speaking. Public speaking dreams, characterized by feelings of anxiety and vulnerability, can mirror individuals' fear of judgment and criticism. Lily encouraged individuals to embrace these dreams as opportunities to develop their communication skills, overcome stage fright, and ultimately empower themselves to speak confidently in their waking lives. Symbol 11, discovering a hidden room. Lily's exploration culminated in the dream of discovering a hidden room, an exciting revelation. These dreams symbolize uncharted potential within oneself, waiting to be explored. By unlocking the hidden rooms of their own hearts and minds, individuals can embark on journeys of self-discovery and empowerment. As Lily shared these 11 common dream interpretations with the people of Dreamsville, she witnessed the transformative power of dreams. Individuals began to embrace their dreams as valuable sources of guidance and self-discovery. They realized that the realm of dreams was not merely a mysterious and untamed landscape, but a place of profound wisdom, empowerment, and personal growth. In the tranquil town of Dreamsville, where the boundaries between dreams and reality blurred, the people learned that by delving into their dreams and understanding their hidden meanings, they could find direction, empowerment, and a deeper connection to their true selves. Lily's journey through the realm of dreams had illuminated a path for others to follow, a path that led to self-discovery, empowerment, and a richer, more fulfilling waking life.